What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the garage. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video on the Subaru. That's mostly just been that stupid subframe. But a bunch of parts just came that I ordered quite a while ago, and it actually took way longer because of the coronavirus pandemic. But anyways, they're here. I thought I'd just make a quick video unboxing all this stuff and showing you what I got. So it's been so long since I've ordered this stuff, I kind of forgot what I even picked up, but yeah, let's dive into the first box here. Always cut towards yourself. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Oh, this is the Cobb air oil separator. Okay. There's a ton of hose in here. Holy shit. And the main part of this whole kit here. Oh! Look at that. Fancy, fancy, fancy. So the reason I went with this was because Boost Barn was able to get a better price on this. And essentially this is the same thing as the IAG air oil separator. I think they were co-developed, or Cobb reached out to IAG and they co-developed this for Cobb. So I think this should work really well. This color on here is fantastic. Matches really well with the airlift stuff. So yeah, this is gonna look really nice in the engine bay, I think. But pack this guy up, get on to the other boxes. All the hardware you need, all the hoses. It's actually really cool that this hose here comes with heat shielding on it. I didn't expect that, and a lot of these hoses are already pre-made, so you don't have to worry about screwing around with that. Looks like high pressure fittings on here, are crimped on fittings, but anyways, this looks like a really good unit. Really excited to install this. Of course, won't go back in the box. Next up, AEM box. Some lovely, lovely paper. A lot of it. Oh, what's this? Ooh, look at that. I don't know if you can see that with the glare. Nice Boost Barn Motorsports shirt. Of course, going to be wrecking this everywhere. This is almost better than a sticker. Which, of course, I hope there's stickers in here. So, what else is in here? So I ordered a PTP turbo blanket, just as I'm not sure if the stock heat shield, I don't think will go back on. So I ordered this PTP blanket. This is just for stock turbo. Of course, if I get something bigger, I'll have to get a new one, but this was fairly cheap, and it will really reduce the in-engine temperatures. Might as well open it up while we're here. So I believe they make a bunch of different colors. I just went with the classic lava color. Jesus. So that's the blanket there. And I didn't opt for any of the extra hardware. Like, I know you can get like stainless steel springs or something like that, but I just went with the wire, just went old school. Even though I'm spending a lot of money on this car, you know, gotta be cheap and not get that expensive hardware. And of course, sticker. So there is a lot of stuff in here. So there is actually something from AEM in this box. It's not just a random box of stuff. Look at the size of this filter. Jeez. Massive. And you probably already guessed what this is. It's their cold air intake. I did have the Cobb intake on there, but oh yes, nice. But I always did want to go for the AEM kit, but I opted not to, just because I wanted something quick and easy, and I didn't want to have to get a Pro Tune right away. But now, since I'm doing all of this stuff with car, it's gonna have to get tuned anyways. So I figured I might as well go for it. So it looks to be So, in case you're wondering, this is the part number. I believe this is the part number right here. And in the box, what you get is your nice MAF tube here. Powder coated, wrinkle red, gigantic air filter like you just saw. Okay, and then this is the portion that kind of acts as the box. So this filter goes down into the wheel well in front of the wheel, and this seals it off. And this is what this is for, weather stripping. I always thought this was plastic, but this is actually metal. Yeah, so that's kind of cool. But, I mean, at the end of the day, I don't know. I guess I can put some gold tape on that if it ends up getting too hot. And then you got some instructions here and a hardware bag. All right, moving on to the big box. All right, hopefully you can see this. Excuse the garbage can over there. see, what's the best way? We'll just get here. So, you have already seen, this is of course a box from Tomei. This is what all the Subi bros have to have. Hopefully there is a vape in here because I don't have one. Holy, I guess I ordered some more stuff. So this is not just Tomei. See, it's like Christmas, you know, when you order something and you forget what you ordered and it all comes and it's really exciting. So I ordered some Samco hoses. These are radiator hoses. That's the part number there. Samco radiator hoses. And here are Samco intercooler hoses. Part number there. Ooh, something from Torque Solutions. I always like this Torque Solution stuff. You know, it's fairly inexpensive compared to some other brands, but the quality is there, so. God damn. Just get the opening it upside down. Nuts and bolts. So these are Torque Solution adjustable toe arms. Let's see if the part number's on the box here. Ooh. You can see that. So this will be able to dial in your toe, and if you remember when I coated all of the rear subframe pieces, I didn't do the rear toe arms because I always planned on buying adjustable ones. And can't forget that most important part. What else is in here? So, this is the Turbosmart dual port blow-off valve. See part number there. Part number right there. Fittings, a hose, sticker, love the stickers, yep. Need instructions, they're online. And now onto the main piece. Jeez. This thing is huge. Oh shit. Gasket. This thing is massive. I'm gonna get all the noises, all the turbo noises. Yeah, not really much to say about this. I guess the reason I chose this one over, say like a GFB or something like that, is that I've just heard a lot of people say that GFB stuff or whatever, like they've had a lot of problems with them leaking. So that's why I decided to go with the Turbosmart one. One thing to note about this is you'll need that elbow piece off the factory bypass valve, and stupid me, I sold that bypass valve and did not know that I needed the elbow, so I'm either gonna have to try to find one used, or another solution is just pick up the elbow from IAG, which I might do. Keep the sticker safe. Probably the only piece that has gone back into the box, just like it came out. Turbosmart, dual port. And now the big boy. So this is the, hey, there was no vape in the box. What the hell is that? This is the Tomei titanium exhaust that everybody knows and loves, and will make your ears bleed with how loud it is, which is exactly what I'm going for. Let's see here. I think it was maybe last year or the year before, I did try to purchase this exhaust, but they were on crazy back order and nobody could get them for some reason. So when I actually submitted this order, I was kind of thinking that I wasn't gonna get, or this was still gonna be on back order, but like, this is, there's dents. What the hell? Yeah, it's just like every other video that you've seen. It's amazing how light this is. I don't know if this is welded by robots, but it does look really, really nice. See that? So, since we got the box open, we might as well dig into everything and just make a gigantic mess. Ooh. What is this? This literally feels like nothing. Like, this is amazing. It's gonna be even more amazing when it's on the car. But There's that piece. This piece, I think this is the muffler. Woohoo! All right. I want to open this one up for you guys, but I gotta be careful. I don't want to drop it. Don't want to drop it, and I don't want to scratch it, because this is the part that everybody's going to see. Oh baby, look at that. This thing is beautiful. Got to do the obligatory fisting test. Woo! Look at that. Slides right in. This thing doesn't muffle shit. Let's be honest. Just looks good. So, see that? Really wish I had a bigger garage. There's literally no room to unbox anything. So this is just a box of, ooh, that's really cool. It's like a, I don't know, like a 3D decal. Hardware kit. Everything's nice and separated out. So far, the things that I've gotten from Tomei, the packaging, just the, you know, the level of care that they seem to take with all of their products. I think it's a silencer. It's just unreal. So some clamps. I think some rubber. Must be for like sound or something like that. And And we've got a frying pan with no bottom. I don't know. No, actually, this is for the muffler. I believe it's for the muffler, and so you can just dial in that perfect fitment out of your exhaust cutout. I believe that's what this is for. Yeah, that's basically it for the parts unboxing. Yeah, if we take a look around here. Got the torque solution stuff, we got the AEM stuff, we got the Cobb stuff and the PTP stuff, we got the Turbosmart stuff, the JDM stuff, and the Samco hoses. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So good thing for you guys, if you are subscribing and you like the Subaru stuff, not just me painting a subframe, then I'll definitely have more videos for you guys. I'm definitely looking forward to getting this car done. This was a huge bulk order. I don't really have a lot left to buy, so at least not stuff that is specialty items. I can, like brakes and whatnot, I can just get from the local parts store. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Always getting closer. One day this thing will run again, I promise. Anyways, thanks for watching.